आर्ट्स इंस्टीट्यूट में ऑर्गेनाइज किया। 2 वीक्स सबको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के क्या क्या एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट्स कैसे बनाते हैं, क्या गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम्स हैं, मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट कैसे होता है, नेम का रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह सारी एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में है। 4 वीक्स आपको पर्टिकुलरली जो पेपर मेशे, वुडन ज्वेलरी, स्टोन ज्वेलरी, इसका आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर भी दिया। तो बेसिकली ये 24 मार्च को कंप्लीट हो गया था, पर मार्च एंडिंग की वजह से इसकी वैलिडिटी आज करना था। तो मैं सबसे पहले मैडम से अनुरोध करूँगा इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में।
आपका सहयोग हमेशा रहा है। राइट फ्रॉम द ईयर 2001 we've been doing programs at SISI when it was the Small Industry Service Institute, and we have done a number of entrepreneurship development programs with them, right from the visual merchandising to fashion design and pattern drafting and jewelry, artificial jewelry and jewelry manufacturing. So I'm happy that you have completed this program successfully, and I congratulate you guys for doing it well. And sir ने जो questions पूछे आपने जवाब बहुत अच्छे दिए, हाँ? You know, so that was the best part. It somewhere it looks that it has synced in, you know, the entrepreneurship factor has synced in. अब डिजाइन जहाँ तक है, एक अगर आपके अंदर में ये पैशन है कि आपको कुछ करना है तो आप जिंदगी में सब कुछ सीख जाओगे। और जैसे इसने कहा कि भाई इट्स एवर लर्निंग थिंग, तो ये एक शुरुआत है केवल इस प्रोग्राम में 40-45 दिनों में केवल आपने उन पहलुओं को छुआ है। अब now you need to develop on these things, and it is going to be an ever learning process, and I think you are satisfied with what you've been able to do here, and it's such a pleasure that आज we have the director of NIT, Pradyumna Vyas, Dr. Professor Pradyumna Vyas is here with us, and one more thing, because his wife Shimul is the head of department of the jewelry design department at NIT, so that makes another added advantage here, and it's such a pleasure to have him in the campus. आज ये MSME का ही एक design clinic scheme है. Somehow Arch is been associated with the scheme, and we just did a sensitizing seminar for the jewelry design for the jewelry industry here, and we did a need assessment survey. हमने 6 units का भी किया है, and उसके बाद में whatever the stages of the design clinic scheme are, we going to take it forth. And आज CII में इसी design clinic scheme के बारे में ये सारी details बताएंगे, जिसके लिए व्यास साहब आए हुए हैं, and Ambore sir is also going to be there, and the RICO director is going to be there, भानावत सर भी होंगे वहाँ पर. And I have been associated with CII for the last 6 years now, you know, and I've been on the invite team member on the council for the last these many years. So जब पहली बार it was last in the HR conclave that I talked about the design clinic scheme, because you know all these industry people talk about all the facets of the industry, but they would never talk about design, which is so core and so essential. And I especially felt, because we were associated with this, we are associated with this work, so I carried forth the design-led development and the design, how design could make an impact to the industry. So that's where I talk about the design clinic scheme, and incidentally we have this sensitizing seminar which is taking place today, and that's how Professor Vyas is here in town. And it's such an honor that we have a distinguished person like him here with us. सर ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि you know all young people who learn design aspire for NIT, and you know वो एक because your intake is so less, so it's a dream, you know, unfulfilled dream with so many, including me, yeah. So you know, but I'm happy that Binoy is an NIT alumni who's here in the campus with us, so we get a lot of feeler coming from him, so that's really nice. And Ambore sir का तो हमेशा से ही we've always got a very nice support from him. In fact, the design clinic scheme, till it did not get formulated, 2 years back he told me about the scheme, till the ministry had not even designed anything. So we had done a lot of homework, we had actually prepared documentations which I had taken forth to the MSME people there. And then I got to know that, you know, that NIT was in the picture, and you know, they were working out things with you that time. So there was a lot of clarity which later on came, and then I really look forward to this scheme getting more and more industry people getting benefit out of it, because you know this kind of scheme, and we see there's a lot of challenges that we see with this scheme. We had called the entire industry here, we had done massive marketing, but there are hardly people who really want to understand what benefit they can draw from the government. That's a barrier that we are seeing. And then when it really came to the need assessment also, लोगों को ये लगता है हमें तो सब आता है, हमारे पास में तो सब कुछ है, हमें तो ये भी है, वो भी, हमें क्या जरूरत है? Then we really looked at the people who had, you know, down the strata who probably do not have that really accomplished a business, and don't even have the fear of sharing. And most of the jewelers here in the jewelers community have the fear of sharing their details with anybody else. Probably they feel that it might just go out or whatever, because those kind of experiences were there. So even though we were looked at the sensitizing and the need assessment, it was difficult for us to even convince 5 to 6 people to get a need assessment done. So, but we were able to do it more with the craft sector and people who are craftsmen and have actually made their businesses a bit higher on their in their micro level also. Most of them are at the micro level, and they were the ones who really opted for it. And either they are the large size who are interested. So in between are the people who are really hesitant. That's what we see. So I think with you being here and talking to the industry, probably they look at it in a more open manner and have this kind of approach. And guys, so I really want to congratulate each one of you again for completing this program successfully. You need to take up a job before you get on to entrepreneurship. Because एक जने के जब नीचे काम करके देखते हो तब पता लगता है कि इन पोजीशन में आकर के कैसे आप एम्प्लॉइज के साथ काम करते हैं. तो हमेशा किसी के साथ पहले काम करो before you take up your own venture. Because I also did a job before I started all this. So this gives you a lot of sensitivity towards people who are working with you, and you know what they need and what their demands are. Else you now have covered all the points, and I think you know that thing. And I think because entrepreneurship is something that I really focus on here. Because that's something that's very close to my heart, very close to my heart. And मेरे बच्चों में से मैं इतना जानती हूँ जो डिजाइनर्स हैं बहुत बड़े, हो सकता है बने ना बने या बन भी जाएंगे, because now we have a very good design team also in place who's giving design inputs. But entrepreneurship is something that I can assure that each and every student of mine has that thing